Never been one to lock the door, always chasing something more, even if it leads to damage that you can't restore. I looked up to you, I broke down crying, not enough for you. 3 years down the drain when you came to me to say that I want you for your body, then I'll be out on my way. You broke my heart, you made this bittersweet.